Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello dear students, myself Dr. Balraj, lecturer in Computer Engineering, Government Polytechnic Dhangad. Today we will discuss about Computer Fundamental. आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा कंप्यूटर क्या है, कंप्यूटर की कौन कौन सी जनरेशन है और कितने टाइप का कंप्यूटर होता है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन। कंप्यूटर a device that accepts input, processes data, store data and produce output, all according to series of stored instructions. Hardware क्या है? It includes the electronics and mechanical devices that processes the data, refer to the computer as well as peripheral devices. Software क्या है? Software a computer program that tells the computer how to perform particular tasks. Next है network. Network क्या है? Two or more computers and other devices that are connected for the purpose of sharing data and programs. Peripheral devices क्या हैं? Peripheral devices used to expand the computer's input and output and storage capabilities. Historical perspective कंप्यूटर का देखें तो उसमें ब्रीफ में आपके 2 फेजेस हैं। नंबर 1 बिफोर VLSI 1945 टू 1978 यूज हुआ था ENIAC, IS, IBM, PDP-8। VLSI कंप्यूटर 97 के बाद से अब तक के प्रेजेंट डे तक माइक्रो प्रोसेसर एंड माइक्रो कंट्रोलर। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द computer generations. First generation was 1945 to 1955. Program and data resides in same memory, stored program concept. ALP was made used to write programs. Vacuum tubes were used to implement the functions, ALU and CU design. Magnetic core, magnetic tape storage devices are used during this period, using electronic vacuum tube as the switching components. Second generation was 1955 to 1965. In this generation, transistors were used to design ALU and CU. HLL used Fortran to convert HLL to MLL compiler were used. Separate IO processor were developed to operate in parallel with CPU, improving the performance. Invention of the transistor, which was faster, smaller and required considerably less power to operate. Third generation in period was 1965 to 1975. In this generation, IC technology improved. Improved IC technology helped in designing low-cost, high-speed processor and memory modules. Multi-programming pipelining concepts were incorporated. DOS allowed efficient coordinate operation of computer system with multiple users. Cache and virtual memory concept were developed during this period. More than one circuit on a single silicon chip became available. Next generation is fourth generation. The period is 1975 to 1985. In this generation, CPU termed as microprocessor. Intel, Motorola, Texas, National Semiconductor started developing microprocessor. Workstations, microprocessor, PC and notebook computer were developed in this period. Interconnection of different computer for better communication, LAN, WAN were introduced. Computational speed increased by 1000 times. Specialized processor like digital signal processor were also developed during this generation. Beyond the fourth generation 1985 to till date, e-commerce, e-banking, home office, ARM, AMD, Intel, Motorola processors were introduced. High-speed processor, gigahertz speed, because of submicron IC technologies, lot of added feature in small size. Now, computer types. Computers are classified based on the parameters like speed of operation, cost, computational power, type of application. मीन्स डिफरेंट पैरामीटर के हिसाब से हम कंप्यूटर की टाइप्स को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, क्लासिफाइड कर सकते हैं। नंबर 1, डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर। डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? प्रोसेसिंग, स्टोरेज यूनिट, विजुअल डिस्प्ले, ऑडियो यूनिट्स और कीबोर्ड। कोई भी डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर होगा उसमें ये चीज़ें बड़ी जरूरी है। डेस्कटॉप मीडिया, हार्ड डिस्क, CD रोम्स, स्टोरेज मीडिया के लिए। पर्सनल कंप्यूटर विच इज यूज्ड इन होम एंड ऑफिस इज दैट कॉल्ड पर्सनल कंप्यूटर। एडवांटेजेस, कोस्ट इफेक्टिव है, इजीली टू ऑपरेट, सुटेबल फॉर जनरल पर्पस, एजुकेशनल और बिजनेस एप्लीकेशंस। नेक्स्ट टाइप है नोटबुक कंप्यूटर। Compact form of personal computer is laptop. Advantage is portability. Workstations can more computational power than PC. Coastal layer used to solve complex problems which arise in engineering application, graphics, CAD or CAM, etc. Enterprise system जिसको हम मेन फ्रेम भी कहते हैं। मोर कंप्यूटेशनल पावर, लार्जर स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी, यूज्ड फॉर बिजनेस डाटा प्रोसेसिंग इन लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कॉमनली रेफर्ड एज सर्वर और सुपर कंप्यूटर। सर्वर सिस्टम सपोर्ट्स लार्ज वॉल्यूम ऑफ डाटा विच फ्रीक्वेंटली नीड टू बी एक्सेस्ड और टू बी मॉडिफाइड। सपोर्ट्स रिक्वेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स ऑपरेशंस। Next is supercomputer. Supercomputer faster than mainframe, helps in calculating large scale of numerical and algorithms, calculation in short span of time, used for aircraft design and testing, military applications and weather forecasting. Handheld, also called a personal digital assistant, PDA. A computer that fits in a pocket, run on batteries and is used while holding the unit in your hand. Typically used as an appointment book, address book, calculator and a notepad. Can be synchronized with a personal microcomputer as a backup. Handheld क्या है कि एक ऐसा कंप्यूटर जिसको हम साथ रख सकते हैं, एक नोटपैड के रूप में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, किसी कैलकुलेटर की तरह, या कोई आपकी एड्रेस बुक होती है उसकी तरह हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं। बाद में हम इसका डाटा पर्सनल कंप्यूटर के साथ सिंक्रोनाइज कर सकते हैं। ये थी टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर। अब कंप्यूटर्स में यूनिट्स होती हैं जो उसका डायग्राम दिया गया है। बेसिक यूनिट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर, कंप्यूटर में जो ज़रूरी यूनिट्स हैं उनका ये डायग्राम है। इनपुट यूनिट, आउटपुट यूनिट, उसके बाद मेमोरी यूनिट। मेमोरी यूनिट्स में एल्गोरिथमिक एंड लॉजिक एंड कंट्रोल प्रोसेसर। बेसिक फंक्शनल यूनिट्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर। इनपुट यूनिट क्या है? इनपुट यूनिट्स, कंप्यूटर एक्सेप्ट द कोडेड इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू इनपुट यूनिट। इट हैज़ द कैपेसिटी ऑफ रीडिंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस and data to be processed. Convert the external word data to binary format which can be understood by CPU. Input unit एग्जाम्पल के लिए कीबोर्ड, माउस, जॉयस्टिक एटसेट्रा। फंक्शनल यूनिट, एक कंप्यूटर हैंडल्स टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। Instructions. An instruction. Instruction क्या है? An instruction control the transfer of information between a computer and its input-output devices, and also within the computer. A list of instructions that perform a task is called a program, which is stored in memory. To execute a program, computer fetches the instructions one by one and specifies the arithmetic and logical operation to be performed which are needed for the desired program. A computer is completely controlled by the stored program except any external interrupts comes from any input-output devices. Functionally unit, input-output unit में data क्या है? Data is a kind of information which is used and operand for a program. Data can be any number or character. Even a list of instructions means an entire program can be data. It is processed by another high level program. In such case, that data is called source program. The most well known input device is the keyboard. Besides this, there are many other kinds of input devices are available like mouse, joystick, etc. Output units. Output units convert the binary format data to a format that a common man can understand. Display the processed result. Output unit example के लिए monitor, printer, LCD और LED, etc. This was the session for today. Dear students, if there is any doubts, you may clear in query session. Thank you.